3 public speaking lessons learned from Sadhguru. What are the 3 public speaking lessons in this quick video? Check this out.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
First thing you can learn from Sadhguru about public speaking is his confidence level. This person is extremely comfortable being himself, right? So of course he's not a natural speaker, understand that. He has done practices, he has done public speaking programs, he has learned the techniques of mastery, because everybody can do that, right? He said that there is a teacher facilitator program that he has been through. So make sure that you have his level of confidence. If you want to really become a powerful speaker like Sadhguru, you have to master your confidence level. By the way, inside our coaching program, the Speaker Implementation Bootcamp, we tell you practical tips that you can use instantly to become a much more confident speaker. That's the first thing. The second thing that he has is vast knowledge, but with connection. What do I mean by connection? His knowledge is vast, but you see, when he's talking to somebody who understands at a high level, then he will talk at a high level frequency. But if he's talking to somebody who does not understand much, then he will talk to that person at their level. If you want to really connect with people, don't show off your knowledge just because you talk a lot, you know a lot. This is bullshit, right? What you want to do is that you want to connect with people based on where they are, not based on where you are. I see oftentimes I meet people and they start talking, so big things. And I was just meeting somebody just a few days ago, a friend of mine. He's a lawyer, and he started telling me all the problems in the bar council, this, that. Do I look like I care about the bar council? I don't. I'll tell you that right now, because I'm not a lawyer. So he's talking to me with his vast knowledge about law and what's happening in India law, where I'm not the right audience for him about that thing. So you got to understand how to talk to people based on where they understand. Okay. So confidence, vast knowledge, and the third is spontaneity. Sadhguru is a very spontaneous speaker. You can see, every single time he speaks, somebody asks him a question and he will just throw a funny answer and he makes people laugh and he's laughing. He's having fun. Guys, are you having fun in your speaking? That is very important for you to know. So look, you can't be Sadhguru, you can't be me, you can't be somebody, the guy next door. You can be you, the best version of you. So if you want to master these 3 things, guess what? We're doing a special program exactly where we teach you how to become a powerful speaker. We're doing a masterclass on that as well very soon. What I want you to do is I want you to call the number below. Take out your phone and call our team member so we can tell you exactly how we can make you a powerful speaker where you can connect with an audience and you can be a spontaneous speaker very soon. Vishal Sarkar here reminding you, hey, public speaking is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
Hi, I'm Nagesh. I've been part of the Mastermind family today. Had a great day, learned about the King of the Mind process, which helps you to shift your mindset when you're stuck. Could be in your personal or professional life. I wouldn't go more in detail about it, but you will come to know about it when you become the part of the Mastermind family. And hey guys, if you want to be part of the Mastermind group, don't think, look back. Take action, be an action taker, just like me. 3 years back, I was in a miserable state. I was not able to connect with my audience, my clients, even my team members for that matter. Today, I make an impact with my presentations, and I also want to help you with my message, and it should transform your life.
Hi, this is Sarita Pradhan. I'm from Sikkim. I am basically a headmistress of a government school. Before coming here, I had the problem of not being able to connect with the students since I run the school. And another thing, I didn't know how to wrap up the entire presentation at the end. So those are the 2 problems I used to face. I would say that slowly I'm trying to come out of my own shell. I'm being more positive because of all the emails, feeds that I'm getting every day. So every day, the first thing I do is I open my phone, I read out the thing, send the letters sent to me, and I share with my sisters and my daughter. So every day I'm being very positive, and those are the things I think He has some special quality to see the drawbacks, the thing which you want to improve in you, and he does it automatically without you knowing it that he is doing it. So that is the great thing for me.